So just a quick update, we're getting these timing chains on. There's a few different chains. I checked all the chains for stretch. No stretch found on these chains at 70,000. But there is a need though to take off the passenger side timing idler sprocket, because this sprocket eventually will not let you have clearance to get past these 2 points here. You cannot get the chain off. So had to learn that the hard way. Now putting the chain on, just got to make sure that this guy is on center, and everything else should just be fine. I'll give you guys a quick update later with regards to the final assortment. eBay kit was great. Everything matches, all the times, the stamps and everything matches. The tensioner is even a slightly updated one, and the rails are all the same. So one thing that's not included in these eBay kits is these oil pump drive bolts. These are one-time use, 60 Newton meters. Was quite an effort to get it off on this little foamy stand I had here. But eventually we got it off. Now I've got a bunch of gasket material that was remaining on here. This is important and critical that you guys get this stuff off, as if it falls into the oil pickup in these big chunks, it could be detrimental. Small chunks like this, not a big deal, but those bigger chunks down here, enough of those and you could have a oil starvation issue. So it looks like we're on the road to recovery here. We'll put this center bolt here to time this balance shaft. You're supposed to be using also a crank timing tool. That's going to be here on Monday from Amazon. Once I got that in there, I'll have everything ready to be timed and we'll be good to go. I'll probably get the chains on now and then wait for the timing tool tomorrow.